Hello, you are welcome here in my busy little shop. On today's episode of What's on My Workbench, I wanted to take just a minute. First, thank everybody that's been here and followed along on YouTube, but I need your help. I'm trying to figure out what equipment that I should be using as I move forward here. At this point, every bit of the filming has been done with my iPhone 13, and all of the editing I've done on that same iPhone and posted from the iPhone. And I figure it's time to upgrade my camera equipment beyond where I'm at. So I'd like to get your opinion on what you think would work great for my video production. The only thing I've got other than my iPhone is a $20 clamp to hold the camera, or as you know, my iPhone, and a tripod that I've had since high school. So maybe you could share your experiences a little bit. I've heard good things and bad things about GoPros. I've heard people talk about them shutting off in the middle of things. That wouldn't be great to have happen to me. So I don't know if that's because they don't like the heat or, what the case may be. So I'm hoping to get some feedback from everybody here. If you could help me out and let me know what you think would be the way to go, I would appreciate hearing your opinion. I hope you're having a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please comment seriously and let me know what you think would work good for my production.